Welcome to the Dimensions CM reporting customization tutorial. Today we're going to look at how we can use a function called user-defined reports to extend the reporting functionality within the Dimensions clients. To do this, we use a command called run user-defined reports, and in the first instance we need to set up a user-defined report. To do this, we first need to create our report file. Here I've created a file called request_rep.bat. It basically generates a SQL file which is run against SQL Plus and simply queries the requests from the request published view. So you will need to have published views installed in order to run this report. So in order to generate the reports, we go into Admin Console, User Reports and Administration, create a brand new report. We'll call this Request Report. It's under the scope of change management. We'll give it a description. The file that I just mentioned earlier, I'm now going to define as the report file. So I'll give this a name. First revision. So basically we can create multiple revisions of the same report as well. And here it is, the file that we were looking at earlier. I typically give this file name the same name when running the report, and we ensure that this box is ticked. Now we click on OK, and we are ready to run our report. At this point in the desktop client, we go under Tools, Reports, Run User Reports. We select the category, and already we have Request Reports in place, products predefined. What we notice here is the output file name that's going to be generated is prefixed by the path of the work area. So let's go ahead and run that report. Report is completed. If we go to the work area, you can see here that a file has been generated called user_reports.out. We can browse that file, and here is the result of that rather simple query. Now, of course, the queries can be extended to be as complex as you require them to be. The great thing about user-defined reports is the fact that they can be run purely from a client. The client does not need to have SQL Plus or any sort of database client installed on it. The reports all get run at the Dimensions server end. And as we've seen, the reports not only get run at the server end, but the results generated are fed back to the client, thereby giving us a very powerful reporting facility that goes above and beyond the ready supplied reports that we have within the client that are available under the Edit menu. This allows us to build complex reports, and as we'll see in the next part, if we then combine these with toolbar buttons, we have a very powerful extension to the client functionality. As a further reference, you may also want to take a look at the Getting Started tutorial for running user-defined reports. This is available on the knowledge base. Thank you for watching.